me start with the preface of, I know there's people in our room. They're invisible, okay?
No, they're not.
They are invisible. I know. There's also some stuff set up in our room. Just ignore it, okay? No, we are not. We are filming, but we're filming for use for learning for this classroom, okay? This is, now I'm going to move on. This is our last, so please be heartbroken. This is our last warm-up of the entire year. I know, you're so happy, huh? So it's only this week because next week I want to get our final done by Tuesday and have everything graded. Did we hear that?
Yeah.
By Tuesday, final done. Me on Wednesday, Thursday, everything into the system so that way Brown and Huff can go through for promotion on the grades. And that's it, guys. That is it. And then we go to Wild Waters and then we go to promotion. Okay? All right, so let's do our last week of stamping, Joelle. All right, can I get Josh to stand? Josh, please stand. Are we filming right now? Josh to stand. Can I get Lourdes to stand? And Shiley to stand. Shiley to stand. Okay? Okay, remember complete sentences. If you each have something different, that's okay. If you have something that's very similar, that's still okay. We're gonna go Shiley, Lourdes, Josh. Shiley, Lourdes, Josh. Shiley, Lourdes. We got that? Okay, Shiley. So, what law did Lincoln have passed to end slavery?
The law that Lincoln has passed to help end slavery is
What's the initials of it? OP. Okay, I'll take that one. Good job. Okay, Lourdes. Lourdes.
the law Lincoln passed to help slavery wait, what? Emancipation Proclamation.
Thank you. Josh, last one, sir.
The law Lincoln had passed was the proclamation on June 1868 to free enslaved and Confederate territory.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you. You get 5. Wait, I gave you 6. He gets a 6 stamp rating. Thank you, Josh. Okay, let's practice that 2 words. So it's Emancipation Proclamation. Do we got that? Okay. Thank you, Carlos. Emancipation Proclamation. Can we say that? Can we be like our kinder selves?
Emancipation
Okay. So it's so how many syllables is that?
3, 2,
No.
4.
Count it first.
Emancipation
Okay, then what's the next word?
Proclamation.
So how many is emancipation?
1.
No, let's
Oh,
read it.
5.
Yeah. 5 syllables, and how many, Jonathan, is proclamation? Is 4. That's a lot, guys. Can we just do emancipation? Just emancipation.
Emancipation.
Okay, ready? Should we do the clap?
No.
Let's do the clap, just to wake you up. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Emancipation. That was really sad. Let's do that one again. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Emancipation. Kayla, we gotta do it for you, Kayla. Yes, get your sleeves rolled up. One more time. Okay, on 3, last one, just for Kayla. Ready? Ready, Leslie? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Emancipation. Good job, Kayla. I knew you felt that. Alright. Okay, we're gonna switch it over. We need to go, and let me switch over all my other switchies over. Go to that last page where it has the Reconstruction Amendments. The Reconstruction Amendments
Well, on what?
on your notes. Reconstruction Amendments. Switch over. That last page that we haven't worked on yet. I know we're still on also the assassination of Lincoln, but we'll get to that because it's kind of happening all at once.
Oh, shit. Oh, I hope maybe we'll watch next week.
Okay, are we there? Yeah.
Photo thing.
Just bear with me guys, I'm doing a quick
Yes, mini line.
attendance right now. Oh my god, there's barely any. Where is everybody?
That's what I'm saying. Jacob.
They're not here.
Hayes, Jaden, Gomez. Yeah, it's a lot. That's okay. No biggie. 75.
That wasn't a big deal.
All right. Okay, go here. Are we here? Are we all there? Okay, I'm going to give you the page numbers. I'm giving you the page numbers first, just so that we can get that one out of the way. Do you see where I had it? And guys, doesn't matter the color pen now. Does not matter on this page. So, I'll highlight it. Here we go. We have page 576 for the 13th Amendment.
Yes.
Okay, we writing that down somewhere next to our amendments.
Wait, which is that one?
Okay, and then 579 through 560. Okay, and then 582 through 83. All right.
Why are we writing numbers?
Because we're in math. Okay. Yes, it's the page number. Okay. Okay, ratified. I need you, hold please, ratified. This word means when each state sign. You got it? When each state sign. So it's gonna say it. Let's go to the very first one we'll do together, and the other two you will do on your own. So go to page 576. Let's do that first one together. 576. Okay. We're learning these amendments because they have to do with civil rights. Okay, we're going to add this in here. We're going to put civil rights laws. And who is the most affected by these laws in the Civil War? What, Carlos? He's part of it.
Slaves.
Slaves. Or what else are we calling these people now?
Black people?
African Americans. Thank you, Jonathan. Very good. Yes, African Americans. Okay, so put a note somewhere. Former slaves or free slaves, right? Former slaves. And then we're now African Americans, right? Okay. First of all, on page 576, we're gonna go over the ratified part. Go down to the very last paragraph, everybody. Go down on page 570. Oh, am I moving too fast for everybody?
I found it.
Okay, please tell me if, right? I'll give you 30 seconds.
Oh, we gotta open our book.
Yes.
So which one? Which one? 76?
I don't know.
All right, are we all on that page? Joelle, can you get to that page? Are you on that page? Thank you. We'll wait for Emily. Guys, please tell me to slow down if I go too fast, remember? Because you know I will. Okay. All right, we're gonna go to that last paragraph. Carol, can you read that very last paragraph where it says Johnson's plan?
Johnson's plan requires Southern states to outlaw slavery before rejoining the Union. They also had to ratify the 13th
Okay, pause it right there. So she just said it, guys. They also had to what? Read that line. They also had to ratify,
What's that mean?
okay, to sign it. Okay, can you start right there, Carol? They also had to ratify.
They also had to ratify the 13th Amendment, passed by Congress in January 1865.
Okay, so when was the 13th Amendment ratified? January, Lourdes cannot answer. She cannot be a lifesaver in this
January
class.
13th.
Look at the book. Look at your last
January
paragraph.
1865.
Thank you, Carlos.
You're welcome.
All right, so we're gonna put, do we get what we're doing in this box? Yes. Okay, now summarizing it. Summarizing it. You're summarizing. Don't write this down, guys. Please don't write this down. I gotta move. Okay. So you're summarizing the information from the textbook. Please don't write this down. Remember, this is my instructions to you. 3 or more sentences. It shouldn't just be one sentence that says it frees the slaves. Because there are clearly 4 paragraphs about each information, each amendment. So if you took if you made a sentence for each paragraph of summarizing. Do we understand that? Thumbs up if you understand the instructions. Thumbs up if you understand the instructions. Okay, I'm not getting 100%. Let's go over it again. Josh, can you sum up the instructions for our class? And please listen to Josh.
Like, when you summarize information from the textbooks about like the 13th Amendment, which is freeing slaves, and we can't just like freeing slaves, we need 13 plus sentences.
Thank you, Josh. Did everybody understand Josh's instructions?
Yes.
Thumb up if you understood Josh's instructions.
Just thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay. Ruby, do you get what we're doing? Are you not awake yet? Both. Got it. Okay. So I'm going to let you do the 13th Amendment on your own. I'm going to walk around and check in, and you can work in shoulder partners or in like small little micro groups. So Carol, if you wanted to work with Josh, you can go ahead and do that. Ruby, if you want to work with Leslie, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, actually, Ashley, you're so alone. Do you need, not Ashley,
Ashley.
Kayla, sorry, I was thinking of Ashley, not
Next to
here.
Ruby?
Yeah, go sit next to Ruby, but don't be disruptive or annoying. Okay, All right, guys, go ahead and start up. Start up on the summarizing. You have your pages there. You have your pages there. Okay.
You can work if you ask Lord to find it. And then she'll be going to it. That's fine. Yeah, that's all of that. You don't want to finish this?
Right? Repeat.
Oh, you want to write it and then cut? Okay. Can you see that, or do you need to take a picture? Oh, okay. Do you want me to make that bigger? Okay, let me make that bigger.
I feel like
His reconstruction plan gave to most thousands who swore loyalty to the Union. However, Confederates could receive pardon by appealing to the presidency. He was enslaved as other possession, yet opposed equal rights for the African American white man alone must manage himself Who's reading what?
why are you talking about you're not a You're not a Yeah, your brother's better than this. Cheating, I thought.
Alright, start reading.
Warn the death to the man who breathe. White words. Vice President Andrew Johnson became president, although he was
Can I read it?
I didn't read it.
Okay, Vice President Andrew.
Vice President Andrew Johnson became president, although he was Southern. Johnson had supported the Union during the Civil War. Johnson had his own ideas about rebuilding the South. His Reconstruction plan gave amnesty to most Southerners who swore loyalty to the Union. However, high-ranking Confederates could receive pardons only by appealing to the president. This part of his plan was meant to humiliate Confederate leaders. He believed they had tricked other Southerners into secession, right? proposed equal rights for African Americans, white men alone must manage child states. Read it.
Yeah, if you can slow it.
Johnson's plan requires southern states to outlaw slavery before rejoining the Union.
Okay, so what is it about this amendment?
I didn't know that.
Black southern states to outlaw slavery before rejoining the Union. We're done. You know what I'm talking about? I missed what we gave up. Where? Southern? Where's the southern? Write that down too.
Yeah, you gotta write that down. Okay, so I've given you some time on this first box. Who has completed the first box? Raise your hand. Anybody?
Me.
Filled it in with a couple points?
Really?
Number 3 or more. Okay. So Kayla and Ruby, you wrote something in that box?
Yeah.
You wrote a note in that box? What was your note? Either one. What was your note, Kayla,
What do you mean by no?
that you wrote in the box?
I read it to you?
Yes.
So once President Lincoln died, Vice President Andrew Johnson became president.
Okay. Okay, that's a good one. What did, Jonathan, what did you write in it?
Or the summary? Summarize?
Uh-huh.
Southern
Southern.
states to outlaw slavery.
Southern states to what?
Outlaw.
Outlaw slavery. Lourdes, what did you guys write?
African American President opposed civil rights war.
Okay, thank you. Okay, all right, so now that we've gone through the first one, you should move on to the second one. Remember, it's just 3 points, everybody. 3 points. So move on to the next one, which is the 14th Amendment. Okay? Yeah. So African Americans, they what? The definition?
I was like, I just said okay. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. She's feeling like. She's probably not good with this, you know. So. She always thinks like, yeah, you gotta look it out. So she could have died, bro. I don't know. I barely know. Like, dude. Not like right now, like I was in like before. She never
Yeah.
No, not like that, not like that. You could barely touch it. I couldn't even touch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Supreme Court had decided
Sorry about it.
that they had been passed by a Congress that
And then,
she
she's
representative
and I was just like, I'll smack myself. I was like, I'm going to
Yeah, because we have to do with them on that, so.
Yeah, it seems like you're mad, but you also don't care.
Yeah. Okay. Think about devices.
No, that's not.
Put them where you're supposed to.
No, but it's not only thing.
Hang on, Lourdes.
I
Okay, guys, so we're going to backtrack a little. When you do 14th and 15th, 14th and 15th, hearing the information, remember to put in, so we have the year, the when is here. We need who is involved. So, like, who is affected by the amendment. We got it? Lourdes, you made some good points in your first note. So what is the amendment? And why was it made? If you need to write these somewhere next to it or in your box, go ahead. So who is affected by the amendment? Jonathan, what is the amendment? And why was this amendment made? We got that? Is that more guidance for some of you? I get it. I know it's early morning, but we're gonna make it through. Okay. And that actually equals your 3 or more sentences. Okay. All right, continue on. If you need to write this down in the box, go ahead. If you don't, then that's fine also. And then same thing, these 3 questions, also for the 15th Amendment. Also for the 15th Amendment as well. Thumbs up if you understand what I just said. Thumbs up. All right, thank you. Continue on. I'll be right there, Lourdes. Ratified in. Yep.
That doesn't matter what.
No, it doesn't matter the month. Yeah, you're good. Got it. Okay, which one are you on? All right, go to 14. Hold that shit. But does it say it in there? You gotta read it. No, you're right. But you gotta read it. Okay. So don't forget your year, when it was ratified.
Oh, 18.
You good, Leslie? You good, girls? Okay. Josh, how are you doing? Don't look at me. She's talking to you.
It proposed another amendment. States ratified
agree with the courts might overturn the Civil Rights Act. The Civil Rights Act. It proposed another amendment to the Constitution for the states to ratify in 1868. The 13th Amendment had ended slavery. The 14th Amendment took the next step by just stating that all bloods born are naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside.
Okay, so is that the who?
What?
Is that the who? The who is affected by the amendment?
What?
Is that the who that we're looking for?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No, wait, no. Yes.
Okay. You're not on the right page. What is 579? Well, I'm here right now. So what number? No. I'm saying something like spread your cheek out. Just regular stuff. Unless I know she's Bro!
In high school, we
Oh, I'm good. We have to go to the store real quick.
Who is affected by
I feel
the
like maybe shit it after shit. I don't know. Or I probably right against the nutsack. I don't know.
All right, let's put a pin in this one really fast. So, who answered all three questions for the 14th Amendment? Raise your hand. Okay, I see the ones to my left. Do we need another minute on this one? Okay. Take another minute on this one and we'll review some of the answers, some of the responses.
I think something like that, either like fights whatever the nutsack feels, or like you get some shit out.
Yeah, go ahead and do that one. Because it's a lot.
Oh.
Okay, so where are you? Okay. So the language
No, I don't even think they would give it to us though.
Wait, the language protected by citizenship extends to
That's you gonna take my money for drugs.
I really don't understand. But then anyway,
You buy it for me? I think it's a pill now. Take the pill.
Miss, look at this and I don't get
No, bro. No. You can eat a pill.
Did you read the whole
You don't
thing?
eat pills, bro. You swallow
Can you read this quote for me? To Kayla and I. Jurisdiction.
That's what you gotta do. That would happen to women. To me though. That's why I died.
Okay. So, who is affected by
I wouldn't leave people like this young. Yeah, that's gonna be hard for her.
So, born here,
I mean, I can repeat the process though.
born in the United States. Does
No, I
this
can repeat
affect
the process. Like my process.
No, yes. No, yes.
Okay, do you want me to ask you again? Let me ask you again. All persons born in the United States, are they affected by this amendment? Okay, so would that be who is affected? They were two, yes, but who else? All persons born. Okay.
I don't want them to laugh over.
Carol? On my way, Shiley.
Okay, you should be done with the 14th.
Wait, I think it's
No, wait, he got a Right.
Congress. Whoa, thanks.
So, we're,
The right.
does that affect you? Does this
What?
amendment
Yeah,
affect
I'm not. Lord.
you? And then who else is added to like that? So everything, right? You're welcome. Okay, ladies, what are we doing?
No worries.
Can you do something? Okay. What are you gonna do then?
This.
Can you first find out what year this amendment was ratified? Okay, you wrote it down, good job. Did you write it down? Okay, now, answer just a very quick question. Who was affected by this amendment?
Congress.
No.
Jurisdiction.
Huh? People born, donde?
Naturalized in the United States.
Okay. Anybody else affected by this amendment?
Jurisdiction. No.
Nobody else was affected by this amendment?
No.
You sure?
Are you done? Let's eat.
Anybody else? You gotta keep reading it. Yeah?
Okay, we gotta pause it. I wanna check in with everybody first. Okay, let's go through the 14th Amendment, just the 14th Amendment. Don't worry guys, we have time next Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday is our final. It's a 2-day thing, we have time. Okay, so let's go on the easy part. When was this amendment ratified, Joelle? Joelle, when was the amendment, 14th Amendment ratified? Okay, who was affected by this? Carol?
Naturalized.
Okay. The who? So you said, say that again to me. All?
All persons born or naturalized in the U.S., the United States.
Okay, anybody else? Anybody else affected by the 14th Amendment?
Robert.
Ruby.
The African Americans.
African Americans. Thank you. Thank you. Now, what is this amendment? I know we're close to leaving, but let's get through the what at least. What is this amendment?
People
No.
living.
What is the amendment?
The 14th Amendment. What is it about?
Yes.
Privileges.
What, Lourdes? Any, say that again a little louder for me, hon. Any citizen male at the time, this is big guys, could vote. Okay, hopefully you'll be more awake because it'll be Tuesday tomorrow. And we'll also have the rest of the class.